Alright mga beshi, so nandito na naman ako sa gala for today. Nandito ako sa Brooklyn Bridge here in Manhattan, New York. Yan, so igagala ko kayo guys. Let's go! Ganda dito guys, medyo mainit nga lang kasi summer here, but still manageable guys. So this is the Brooklyn and this is the Manhattan Bridge over there. Yan. Guys, sobrang ganda dito and I can express my emotion because it's really good and good feeling jogging dito.
A few moments later,
guys, another destinations. So we're going to Continental Hotel where the John Wick actually filmed. Yan, pasok tayo dito sa Continental. Hanapin natin si John Wick. So this is the inside of this hotel. Yeah. Oh, bar. So maybe. So ito yung mga menu dito, guys. Continental bar. Ayan guys. So my next destination for today is another filming location din ng American movie. At isa to sa mga paborito ko rin na movie. Okay? So, ayan. Tara, punta natin siya. Let's go! So, dito yan sa New York. Okay? Sa New York din siya. Let's go! So, this is it. The Ghostbuster Fire Station. Ito lang siya sa may Vincent. So dito siya sa may located sa may Vincent Halloran. Ayan. So yeah. Next stop for today's video is World Trade Center, or they say it the Oculus. Take a look. Okay, so nandito naman tayo sa Central Park. Okay?